long day. Alright, here's the, keep forgetting the year of this. I want to say 95 Ranger. It might be 2000. I'll check it by the next clip. Here she is, all tore down. Vacuumed the carpet, scrubbed it, shampooed it. I'm gonna do the headliner, seat belts, rear seats, front seats, door panels, and clean everything else up real good for them. She's about empty. Got the steering wheel off also. Alright, I won't be back until I get something finished or in the middle of covering something. I'll give up some tips here in a little bit. Seats, door panels. I'll show how I do those. Let's see if they got screws. Nope. They're a pain in the butt. I have to Dremel tool those little mushroomed heads off. Anyways, I'll show that later. The other seat belts. Clean all that up for them. Steering wheel, back seats. Be back later.